Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Jaclyn. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Here we go. Okay, so I'm starting off with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going in with the color Pooter in and above the crease. Blending that out real well. Now dipping into Fickle from the Dare to Create palette in the crease. You want to make sure that you blend it up into the other color. Make sure it's nice and blended. Don't want any harsh lines. And just adding some more till the color I liked. It's everything to your liking, however much you want, however light or dark you want. Now I keep blending and blending, just a heads up, we're going to be switching back and forth from the Jaclyn Hill and the Dare to Create palette, but it'll all come together, so just bear with me. Now going back to the Jaclyn Hill palette, we're going to go into the shade Jada, which is a beautiful turquoise color, my favorite color. And I tried a new technique in putting my finger on my lower lash line so that I wouldn't get fallout under my eye, and it worked. So maybe it's a new tip for you guys, I don't know, but try it out, see if it works for you. It worked for me, so there you go. Back to the Dare to Create palette, going into Indigo in the outer corner. Just doing circular motions and then doing that little technique that I did again, because I don't know about you, but I don't have like those nice little pads that like Elf has or anything, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, so hey. And just adding some more Fickle back into the crease, because to me the color got lost into the two blue shades, so just add however much you want, if you want. I was feeling myself right here, because you know, girl, just gotta feel yourself sometimes. You gotta love yourself, throw you some love, because I mean, if other people do it yourself, and that's the best kind of love, if you love your own self. Just do you, girl. Do you, girl. Just continue to add more of each color to the way you like. Just keep blending as you go. taking Jada onto the lower lash, doing it through the whole entire lower lash. You can bring it down as far as you want or as close to your lash as you want. To me, I don't really like too much, so I don't bring it down too much, so I literally just keep it on however thick my lower lash is. So, you know, just do you. And then I'm gonna take indigo and put it on the outer corner of the lower lash and match it up and blend it out to the indigo on the upper lash. Here, I was about to put a shimmer on my lip, but then I was like, no. I need to put a little more Jada so I can get that pop of color before I can get the shimmer in there. So that's what I did. Added a little bit more. And now I'm going in with Taylor in the inner third of my lid. Just using my finger to just blend it out a little bit. And of course, here comes a guest. My mom. Oh, that's alright. My dad pops up eventually. But that's okay. That's all part of this. But I just need, you know, a sign. But that's alright. And now I am taking Beam into the inner corner. And we're done with the eyeshadows. Now we can move on to eyeliner. So I'm taking the NYX Box black eyeliner in Onyx, and it's a dark blue. Just say that. In the waterline, and then I'm taking the Lorac black eye pencil in, what is that called? Your upper waterline? Is that what it's called? I don't know. If you know, let me know. Taking LA Colors black liquid liner that I got from the dollar store. Cause girl, I am ashamed. Like, cheap stuff can be just as good. Like, to me, that dollar store eyeliner works just fine. I mean, yeah, it might not be like jet black, but, well, actually, to be honest, I mean, I think it's jet pretty black, but in this eye look, since I've got pretty dark colors, it's not that black. But I mean, it's there. It does the job. Cause I ain't got that kind of money to be spending a whole bunch of money on all stuff. I mean, hopefully one day, cause you know, girl loves makeup. But a lot of my stuff I get from like Ipsy and Sephora Play, and I get like half of my makeup I got from Christmas gift sets. So Christmas coming up, girl, hit the gift sets, cause they're good and they got good deals. Moving on to mascara, I'm using the Sephora Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara, and oof, I love mascara. And tip, if you didn't know, you always want, oh, there goes my dad. You always want to go at the very base of your eyelash and then wiggle up and always go behind your lash to get a nice full looking lash. And also, sorry for the lighting, I'm working on it, but you know, getting there. And going to the lower lash, I like to just use whatever is left from my mascara one, because I don't know about you, but I don't really look like the whole spider looking thing, you know. And also fanning them out because it's a little wet, so don't want that to transfer. I know, look, the lighting gets better. And moving on to my eyebrows, and I'm using the e.l.f. brow pencil. I use the color Neutral Brown, and starting on the lower part, you don't really want to fill in your eyebrows completely unless you like that boxy look. I don't, but somehow my eyebrows just naturally end up looking like that because I guess I have fuller eyebrows, so it just looks like that either way, no matter what I do. So yep, and using the spoolie, brushing through to blend out, and I just use my finger to point the ends and then just try to make the ends darker so I can have that nice fade. This is a long process, which I'm sure y'all know, but you gotta get them eyebrows looking on fleek. And yes, that word has pretty much gone out of style, but that's okay. And we're done. Thank you guys for holding out to the end. Hopefully you guys recreate this look. Thanks, you guys. God bless.